Alright, what's up guys? This is Taylor, and I'm doing the free video for Wednesday, June 12th. A jam-packed day on Wall Street. We had the CPI, we had JP and the Fed, we've got Broadcom after the close, and for the most part, a pretty good showing here from the bulls. QQQ up 1.3, S&P's up just shy of 1%, and in most situations, a couple of setups here would bode well for further upside. Coming into today, we had the A+ weekly squeeze here for the QQQ, and at the open, that squeeze just fired to the upside. The last time the QQQ fired an A+ weekly squeeze, back here in November, December. And then on the SPX here, we had the A+ setup on the daily time frame, and that also fires to the upside on the gap up. So typically, when the S&Ps and the QQQ fire a weekly or a daily squeeze, it puts things in a pretty good position to keep on trending higher. In the short term, we're a little bit stretched. If you check out the 1 hour chart here for the SPX, we're up here at the 3 ATR extension, and on the QQQ, we find ourselves at the same extension. Even when a squeeze just fired, I don't love chasing for an entry up here at the 1 hour extension. My thinking from here, we're going to learn a lot more. We'll all be a lot smarter after the first backtest of the hourly 21 EMA. The first time we can retest the hourly 21, if the trend holds, the structure holds, the momentum holds, that might be a good spot for your next entry. Keep on playing the market higher. If the first backtest sees the market crumble, then it'll be a different story. So my game plan for tomorrow, be patient, avoid chasing, wait for a backtest of that hourly 21, then we'll take it from there. Now for conversation's sake, let's just assume we get that backtest. Everything remains bullish. Indicators line up, we got buy signals. If that is the case, couple of things I like for now. Netflix. Brand new daily squeeze, brand new A+ setup. Given the fact it's a brand new squeeze, that might need another 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 days of compression. But in the good market, eventually, I think that squeeze fires, and they keep the party going towards 680-ish. I also like the weekly squeeze here for Amazon. We've got a fresh daily buy signal, and the weekly chart here is A+. Trend, structure, momentum, perfect score of 12, and a new weekly squeeze. If the market keeps on behaving how it is, I think in time, that weekly squeeze can take Amazon towards $200. I also like Google. Now Google, not quite A+ on my indicator. It's getting very, very close. Trend is bullish. Structure is bullish. If they can pull the MACD line back above that 0, we will get a brand new buy signal. That'll become an A+ setup, at which point Google here could shape up for a move towards 185-ish. I also like Coinbase. Not a bad day here from Coin, and on the 3-day time frame, we got a big squeeze setting up. We have the bull trend and the bull structure. We are getting very close to bull momentum. They get that positive cross. We get the buy signal. We get the A+ setup. Then I take Coin, and I play for a path towards 290 to 300 plus. Whether it be Coin, whether it be Google, Netflix, Amazon, etc., I don't plan on doing any of that until the S&Ps and the QQQ get that backtest of the hourly 21. A little bit of patience might be warranted. And we came into today long AI. AI had the A+ squeeze here on the 2 hour. We bought our calls last Friday, we caught the gap up, and we sold them for a 70% profit. So with that being said, I've got a free webinar tonight. And since I did my indicator update, I've got 21 A+ trades under my belt. 16 wins, 5 losses, 76% win rate, average win of 64%, average loss of 33%. Next week, I'm going to reset the account. I'm going to do a brand new 25 trade challenge all over again. Nothing but A+ setups for 25 trades in a row. So come through tonight for the webinar, grab a cold drink, come have some fun. I shall send you home with a couple of goodies, maybe a couple of watch lists, and I hope to see you all there. Until then, be patient, look for a little back test, see how the market can handle that back test, and then we will take it from there. As always, thank you for watching, have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon. Adios.
What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Simpler Trading. I wanted to thank you for watching our video, and if you liked the video, go on ahead and comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get a notification anytime we upload our next video. And of course, if you want to watch us trade live in real time with our own money, check us out at simplertrading.com. Until then, trade safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.